today's high low is taking us to the 91945, which is in Lemon Grove. And our highest priced home is a home that was originally priced at $995. It's been marked down almost $100,000. We're at $899. It has been on the market approaching 160 days, so I feel like there's room for a deal there. And it's a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Living space is 1980 square feet, built in 74, and has a beautiful pool. So if that's something you're interested in taking a look at, give me a call, 619-838-1696. And the cheapest home in that zip code is and these are single family homes. These are not condos. So when I do the high low, it's always a single family home. Kat, what do you think if you think about Lemon Grove, what do you think that low home is going to be valued at?
Well, I'm going to guess at about 475, but I know that's
You are very close, actually.
not.
Only about 50 off. It's $519,900, so about $520,000. It's only been on the market 7 days, and that is an extremely hot price. As you know, the median home sales price in San Diego was about $890 only a couple months ago. I think we've simmered down a little bit, but $520 is significantly less expensive. And this is it's a little bit of a smaller home. It's 1,022 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. And that is sitting on just under 0.15 of an acre, but a great starter home. So if you're looking to just get your foot in the market, give me a call, 619-838-1696, and I will show you either one of or both of those beauties in Lemon Grove.